high. So it's been a minute, but here we are. I tried to do my hair, that didn't really work, but that's fine. So I really don't know what to say. Let's start with the eyes. That's how you do makeup. Okay, I've got this little palette that's got a bunch of neutrals and browns and things like that, so we'll be using that. My primer is already creasing, which we love. So big fluffy brush and this shade here. Let's do this. Okay, if that feels like a lot, that's just because it is. So, what are we going for next? I have no idea. Okay, I'm gonna do this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one. Basically, light brown, medium brown, darker brown, dark brown. And we're just gonna, you know, do a bit of that. So with a lighter brown fluffy brush in the crease. Okay, can you even see a difference? I don't think so, but I can sense it, so it's good. Medium dark, same fluffy brush, kind of in the crease but not too high. To the grey expert. See that blob? Blob. Make a blob and then blend the blob. That's how we roll. I don't know why it looks so orange. It really isn't orange at all. Damn it. Okay, that ended up basically all over and under my eyes. It just happens. Okay, now with the darkest brown I've got. No, we'll do that. Let's say kind of along the lash line, all over the lid, wherever you want, really. I mean, at this point, okay, things got a little out of hand. I did have some issues. I've been blending for the past 27 years, but here we are. Okay, now with the dark brown and this skinny little brush, I'm gonna do the lower lash line. Just cause. See? Nothing. Great. Okay, I ended up doing a lower lash line and the top one as well, but I don't know if you can tell. If it looks like I'm all over the place, it's because I am. So we're doing what we can. Now, I'm going to use a kohl liner. This is Smolder by MAC to line. Why is it this color? I have another one. We're good. It's all good. Okay. I'm going to line my waterline carefully. All right. I've done something. Now there's a bus driving past, which is great. Now I'm gonna clean up my face because I've got a lot of fallout, and I'm gonna do lashes and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, we have lashes. and something is happening. So this is the look. I did wipe my face, so now it looks all red and blotchy, which is great. We're going to do foundation. I don't want to do too much, so we'll see what happens. Okay, fine. Do I have a cold, or is it just when I do my makeup? I don't know why. What is that? Rude. Anywho, I think we are done for this. Why am I? Oh, concealer. Okay. Was that too much? I mean, probably. Meh. Okay, I think that's it for face. I do want to use bronzer because I feel like I look like I died 2 days ago. You know, it's giving dead. So, is this what the kids say? I don't know. Anyways, I'm 45. I'm not. It's fine. It's Bronze Goddess bronzer. Okay. Let's see what we can do. A little bit here, a little bit here, double chin, on the forehead. Okay, let's say it's fine. She says blending for another 20 minutes. What can we do? For blush, I'm using this Desert Rose by MAC. It's a very neutral look. It's very, I don't know, muted. I did not intend for this to be so brown, yet here we are. Well, that happens. Can you see all this shit behind me? It's fine. It's fine. Just pretend like it's not there. It's all good. Okay. And for the lips, I'm using this Colourpop Lippy pencil in the shade Oh Snap. Okay. Let me see. Which seems to be the exact shade of my actual lips. That's fine. Okay, I think I might be done. So, this is the final look. Why am I? Oh, oops, sorry. Okay, well, we did it. Me, myself, and I, obviously, that would be. If I seem weird and awkward and a little stressy, it's because I am very nervous. So here I am trying. So it's never too late to try again, right? Okay. This is the look. I hope you enjoyed this, whatever this was, and have a great day. Or whatever day you want to have. You know, it's cool. Bye.